Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to set up the Sora by OpenAI app on your iPhone. So if you want to use the Sora by OpenAI on your iPhone but you don't know how to use it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. The first thing and the first basic thing you need to do is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. So if your device is not connected to any of it, then you won't be able to use the app. So after that, make sure that you have also installed the Sora by OpenAI on your device. And after that, you just need to open the app like this, and here you'll see the option of continue with Apple, continue with Google, sign up, unlock. So to set up, you just need to click on the option of sign up, and from sign up it says we are saying Sora wants to use OpenAI.com to sign in, so click on the option of continue, and from here you may select the option of continue with Google, continue with Apple, continue with Microsoft, or continue with phone. So select the option which you like, or you may also simply enter the email address which you have not used. So I'll simply select the option of continue with Apple and click on the option of sign in like this. So I'll simply sign in with the password, and so after doing all of it, you will be able to create your account on the Sora AI, and it takes a few moments. So from here you just need to select your birth date, so you may simply swipe the button like this and click on the option of continue, and here you just need to create a username, and you may also add your profile if you want, but if you don't want, you may click on the option of continue, and you may simply skip this part. But if you want to find a friend, you may simply click on the option of connect your contacts, and you'll discover the top account like this. So I'll simply skip this, and you just need to select your area code for the number verification. So I'll simply select the country which you are from. You just need to select the country where you are from and click on the option of send verification text, or also you may simply skip this part if you don't like verifying your number. So I'll simply skip it for now, and you can get started, or you may simply skip all of this part. So click on the option of start watching like this. So that's it. That's how you can create your account on the Sora by OpenAI. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.